So here is our new bird cage and our new buddies. The white one, the white and blue one that is Popo, and the other one is PJ. And they're just relaxing. They've just started to really feel comfortable sleeping on perches. This cage has a little poop collection tray on the bottom there, but it doesn't really have a bottom, so I've cut out a cardboard circle lined with paper towels. They're still not really feeding themselves, but in the last few days they've taken interest in the seeds, so you can see a lot of shell case seed shells down there. They eat the seed, spit out the case, so they make a nice mess. But it's okay. I changed this bottom about 2-3 hours ago, and you can see they poop quite a bit. And I have this set up so that they have how many? They have 3 perches on the inside. PJ likes to get up on this top perch and play with the bell that's from the swing. We have a few more mirrors on the inside, and these very, very cool trays that you can just turn around, so you never actually have to disturb them to feed them. PJ is starting to master how to fly. He flies around the house when we take him out to eat, and he seems to be picking out his favorite perches. Unfortunately, they are not the perches we set up for him. Popo's just learning how to fly. He can't fly up yet. He can fly down in the sideways, backwards, but he can't fly up. Actually, we don't know if they're boys or girls yet. My friend is coming next week who's a parakeet, a budgie expert. He used to breed them, so he will tell me, hopefully. And that's about it. I like the cage though. Here in Japan we have ugly cages. This is an imported Italian cage that's modeled after the bird cages in Bali, I guess. About $150 US. Not so bad considering it's gonna be their home for a long time. But hopefully they're free to leave this cage when they want. We have a perch on the inside leading to one on the outside, so they can fly out, fly back in when they learn it. We have a little heater in there because they like the temperature at a certain degree, and they're still just babies. They're only about 34 or 5 days, around there. So we still have to feed them by hand. And that's it. That was Popo and PJ.